Hey, welcome back guys. In today's video, we're going to be solving one-step equations that came on previous old 6th grade STAAR test. It says an equation is shown 8x minus 2x is equal to 48. What is the solution to the equation? So when you're solving equations, you're solving for or isolating your variable. And in this case, our variable is x. The variable can be any letter from A to Z. So this means 8 times x, even though it doesn't say it, when you have a number in front of a variable, that is your coefficient, and it means multiplied. So 8 times x minus 2 times x is equal to 48. Now, first thing I want to do is simplify both sides of the equation, and one way I can simplify is I'll combine like terms on the left side, and 8x minus 2x. I can combine those because they have the same variable and the same exponent. So this becomes 6x is equal to 48. And so I already mentioned that your coefficient in front of your variable means to multiply. So we'll use inverse operations to isolate our x. So if it's 6 times x, the opposite of times would be divide. So I would actually divide both sides by 6. And then 48 divided by 6 is actually 8. So our answer would be 8. You could go back and plug it in, and it will balance out. So you should never get any problems wrong on any equations. So 8 times 8 is 64 minus 16. And then 64 minus 16 is 48. So we verified that our solution is 8. All right, in this case, it says the face of a clock is a circle with 12 equal sections. Circle has 360 degrees. What is the value of k, the number of degrees in each section? So in this case, our variable is k. So we're going to set up an equation. So we have 12 groups of k is equal to 360. Now, we already know that the 12 is our coefficient, and we're multiplying it by 12. And the inverse of multiply is divide, so I would divide both sides by 12. Division is the part that gets a lot of students. It's really not our strong suit. I'm going to scale down before we actually divide. It doesn't matter. You could go into long division now. This tends to help kids. Scale down both by 2. I end up with 360 divided by 2 gives me 180. 12 divided by 2 will give me 6. I could scale down again by 2. There's no rule that says what you scale down by as long as it goes into both. Half of 180 is 90, and then half of 6 is 3. Now I'll go ahead and do long division, or just division. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 groups of 3 will give me 9. Bring down the 0. My new division problem is 0 divided by 3. 3 doesn't go into 0, so we put 0 here. 0 times 3 is 0. So our answer is k equals 30. And we could go back and plug it in. I'm going to go back to the original 12 groups of 30. And then we'll go. Sorry, I try to kind of move it up because I know this video is getting a little long. So 360 is equal to 360. So yep, we are correct. The answer is k equals 30 with the answer choice of C. All right, thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like or subscribe or even drop a comment.